Welcome to fifth question of the KSET series. This is an interesting question from KSET 2017 examination, where they have asked you to calculate the peak positions in hertz. What they have given is, they have given the CH proton of 1,1-dichloroethane appears as quartet at 5.8 ppm. So they have given the peak position on delta scale, and the value it is given to be 5.8 ppm. And now they have given the value of coupling constant J 6 Hz, and they have given the operating frequency 80 megahertz, and they have asked the quartet positions in terms of hertz. So how we can solve this question, we shall look at into it in detail. Before that, if you want to get detailed solutions of more KSET questions sorted in topic wise as well as in chapter wise manner, you can refer to these books: KSET in Chemical Sciences, Inorganic Chemistry, KSET in Chemical Sciences, Physical Chemistry. So to order your copies, you may contact this number by WhatsApp. Now coming back to the question. So they have given you the delta value and they have given you the operating frequency. If we know the relationship, that is delta ppm, that will be actually calculated by dividing line position in hertz divided by operating frequency in megahertz. If we know this formula, from this formula it is possible to work out the line position of the peak. So the line position of the peak in hertz, it will be simply delta ppm multiplied by operating frequency in megahertz. So both the values they are given, so 5.8 into 80, it comes to 464 hertz. So actually this indicates the peak position if it was in unsplit manner. So now what I have asked is line positions of the quartet. So line positions in hertz if the split, or if the peak it has split into quartet as it has happened now. So in such scenario, how the line positions will be, that they have asked. So for that, if we look at the diagram, we can understand the things in a clear manner. So now, so far whatever we have calculated is that, so this position 5.8 position, actually it happens to be at 464 hertz. But because the peak is a quartet, we will not be observing any line at this 5.8 or at 464 hertz. The line which was supposed to appear here, so from this midpoint it has split into quartet, so it has split into 4 lines. Now they have actually asked the positions of these 4 lines in terms of hertz. For that, the other value that they have given is J, coupling constant 6 hertz. That is nothing but, in hertz, the difference or spacing between these 2 lines or any 2 lines in a quartet or a split peak. So now this, if they have given it to be 6 hertz, this one it will also be 6 hertz, and this difference it will also be 6 hertz. So now this, if you consider to be midpoint, so in that case, so these 2 peaks, their position it will be 3 hertz away from this midpoint. So therefore these 2, it will be 3 hertz and 3 hertz. So now the actual positions will be, this is 464 hertz, and now this is 464 plus 3. So 464 plus 3, it will be 467, and this one 467 plus 6, that will be equal to 473. Whereas this side, this should be 464 minus 3, so that will be coming to 461, and the last point, it is 461 minus 6, so that will be 456. So these should be the actual peak positions. Again, we can directly calculate it as say this point, if we refer to 464, so then next point it will be, so starting from here, so actually this will be 464 minus 9, because here it is 3 hertz and here it is 6 hertz, so totally it will be 464 minus 9. So this line it will be 464 minus 3, this line it will be 464 plus 3, and this line it will be 464 plus 9. So the correct answer, it is answer C. Of course, in answer C, this position they have given it as 455, which should have been 456. The correct answer, it should have been 456 Hz, 461 Hz, 467 Hz and 473 Hz. Very important thing is that, so in the quartet, this line midpoint 464 where the signal was supposed to appear, so that we won't be observing. That point we should be kept in mind. So the actual signals in quartet, it will be distributed away from this midpoint. So the answer, correct answer, the most appropriate answer among the given options, it will be option C. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can share this video to your friends and you can subscribe to this channel to get more such videos. Thank you.